In this video, we'll show you how to program your remote with your vehicle. This video was made specifically for the vehicles shown in the description. Even though your remote and vehicle may look different, the steps you follow are exactly the same. Remember, you must have at least one existing working remote to begin. Don't forget to read the video description for more important information, including step-by-step written instructions. All remotes must be present that are going to be programmed to the vehicle. At the time of programming, the following steps, 1 through 12, are done on a single remote. Step 14 is done on all remotes to be programmed. To begin the pairing process, get into the car, shut the doors and make sure they are unlocked. Turn on the ignition. Press the lock button on the remote. Turn the key to the accessory on position. Your radio works in this mode. Turn on the ignition. Press the lock button on the remote. Turn the key to the accessory on position. Your radio works in this mode. Turn on the ignition. Press the lock button on the remote. Turn the key to the accessory on position. Your radio works in this mode. Turn on the ignition. Press the lock button on the remote. The locks should chirp to indicate that programming mode was entered successfully. Press the lock button on the remote. The doors should chirp again to confirm programming. Press the lock button on each of the remaining remotes to be programmed, one at a time. Turn off the car fully and try unlocking with the remote. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe, then hit the bell icon to be notified of new videos. If you need replacement keys for your vehicle, be sure to check us out online.